Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a wish list in Airbnb. So here I'm going to click on the where to, and then I'm going to type in my destinations. For example, I'm going to, let's say, Indonesia, and then here you can choose your dates. For example, I want to go in 21st October, and then click on next. And who's coming, for example, I go with my partner, and then click on search. And here you can find there is so many like villa or resort available in Indonesia. And after that, if you if you want to create a wish list, you can just click on the love icon at the top right of each Airbnb show up. Just click on the love, and then here you can name your wish list, for example Indonesia, and then just click on create. And after that, if you want to add another wish list, you can also find if you want to add a list to your wish list, you can just, for example, click on the love again, and then choose the existing wish list, or you can also create a new wish list. Okay guys, so that is how you can create an Airbnb wishlist. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye.